Hello and welcome to this demo series on how to use Altair Inspire to determine forces and optimize the structural parts in a suspension. My name is Jan Grasmannsdorf. I work at Altair in Germany and handle the academic relations in that country. And I will be guiding you on how to use the program called Altair Inspire. Altair Inspire is a suite of products which enables designers to perform fast and intuitive analysis on their structures, but also on moving parts and on manufacturing processes like molding, casting, sheet metal forming, extrusion, and 3D printing. The whole Inspire platform shares one common GUI, which is intuitive and has a fast learning curve. So it is easy for you as students and also for starting as designer to use this sort of simulation products to get a first result and use simulation as a driver for your design process. So that's what the following track will be all about. I will be guiding you through some of the demos there on how to determine the forces and then use the forces in an optimization of a part, and finally the 3D printing process of this part. I hope you enjoy this lecture and hope to hear more from you in the Q&A and breakout session as well. Thank you for attending.